Morning, everybody. I'm just doing a quick video today to show you the beautiful snowstorm we had. It started yesterday and just stopped just literally a few minutes ago. This is in the northern part of Connecticut. Right over there is the hills and the mountains. This is how my backyard is looking. It's so beautiful. And it's not even that cold today. Everything's white, even the sky. You don't even see any blue up in that sky today. Everything's white. Well, I thought that you guys would enjoy this. Have a blessed day.